What up, guys? It's the Monotone Twins.
Keeping that. What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. Got Alex here.
Yeah, we are working on. We're supposed to work on the EVO, but Aaron's broke-ass friend don't want to pay for nothing.
Well, I mean, I was gonna pay for it, but I've already put enough money into it and whatnot. So, anyways, we decided to get the dent removed out of the Copart car.
That was a joke, in case Josh watches this.
He doesn't. Don't worry, nobody watches our shit. It doesn't have a suck.
Alright, so Aaron did it without me freaking turning on the camera and then backed it out, but he popped the dent out. What's a big old dent here? Technically the first test drive, he drove it off the trailer, that's about it. Oh, it's a low tire.
So, we just got back from grabbing a mini plunger.
Yeah.
To pop out the dent on the back door.
I was gonna record it, and then I come around, and Aaron's already got it popped out.
There's still some damage there. Obviously, something swiped that back door, but it looks a lot better. Now we got it running, and I don't know what we're gonna do next.
We gotta figure something out, but I want to show you this. Look how dirty this is getting. Everything.
It's been here for
look at
over
that.
a year now.
It's been sitting here for what, 13, 14 months now?
Oh my
And
goodness.
it is getting dirty. I didn't notice it last time until I seen these handprints right here. Holy cow. This is from sitting for 13, 14 months. And Aaron's car is about the same, but his is mostly on the windows. I think he kind of, well, I guess that's getting dirty, but he keeps mostly.
Working on mine.
Yeah, he's been working on his, but at least he actually, I think, he probably comes out here with a towel every now and then, wipes his down though.
No, I don't.
You don't?
No.
Because this looks pretty clean right
But
here.
these fenders haven't been here that long.
Oh, that's right. These were the new ones.
Yeah, this past summer.
But like this fender here,
But
from
you-
working on it, just the handprints.
And you gotta think, I just threw those seats up there not too long ago, so under there it's pretty dirty, you can see.
And what did he do before he parked this here?
He went off-roading with it.
So
Got really muddy.
Underneath is super muddy, and it's probably just sitting there rotting it all out.
All that moisture's getting trapped.
Yeah, full of moisture, but you know, it's not his car, I guess. Aaron's car, I mean, it's his buddy's. The reason why we were filming on my GoPro and only one camera is because my memory card stopped working, so it will record for like, what, 30 seconds and just cut out. So it's not worth dealing with it.
Mine actually did that at first, but I realized you have to buy a more expensive, higher quality memory card. Anyways,
Mine was a higher quality memory card, but it's old. It was like from 15 years ago when I got the little digital cameras.
I'm not sure if I'm going to do it on this video, but I'm going to make a video soon putting the new exhaust in the R3.
Well, do we want to get oil, or how are we going to do it? I don't want to pay $100. If it was just oil, I would do it.
Maybe Al buys the oil and filter, and I'll get the crank sensor.
Well, we get the cheapest oil they got in stock.
Yeah. Well, then let's reverse that. You paid for the crank sensor. I'll pay.
I'm looking to spend like 20, 30 bucks.
Oh man, it sucks. I've already spent over 100, and so I'm gonna have to send him a bill.
I'll put a mechanics lien on it. Too bad you aren't a certified mechanic. I don't know if you can do that. Just kidding, Josh, in case you ever watch this. Aaron likes having this car in here.
I need to take my pop bottles back, clean it up a little bit in here.
That's the first thing we gotta do in the spring. The first thing we gotta do in the spring is Aaron needs to get this place clean and start getting rid of some of this junk.
Well, I'm actually going to be renting one of those mini dumpsters in the spring. I got a lot of stuff in the basement, and
I just got a new mini fridge for Christmas from my wife's parents. So if I move closer and I don't use it, we're gonna switch out that one. Because I don't think
this one's already got all of our stickers.
But does it work?
In the winter. It keeps it cold in the winter.
Yeah, right.
Okay, well, I guess.
If I don't, once I move, I'll probably wind up using it, or I'll be here more than I will be in my
Hopefully
own
it
garage.
moves soon because I'm bored.
It's gonna be in the spring, so.
So I guess you want to run to AutoZone then?
Let's talk to Josh first.
1 hour later.
We're running to AutoZone to grab the parts for the EVO. I'm just gonna pay for them, and Josh can pay me back.
Assuming he does.
Now he's gonna owe me like
The cop just left.
180 bucks.
I think you need to oil that up.
Something like that.
Okay, we got the oil. And the filter and the crank sensor. Ah.
Yeep.
Alright, I lost where I put it all though. Where?
On the car.
Oh, I set it over here. Alright. New crank sensor. Alright, so the battery was dead. So Aaron changed the batteries. We got the crank position sensor, right? And an oil filter. We went cheap. And then some oil, which I think I already said. But anyway, we're about to get the oil drained and then pull the crank position sensor out and go from there. Okay, so tell them what we did.
So got the old crank sensor out. The plug was kind of a bitch, so I just shoved this flathead between the plug and the sensor and pushed, and it finally came out. So we're gonna put the new one in. Got the oil drained, so we need to put the oil filter on, fill the oil up. Well, put the plug in, and then fill the oil up. So.
Alright, so we're gonna grab the GoPro, and Aaron's gonna show you where that crank sensor position plug is at.
So the crank sensor that we're replacing is right here. Got that out. Right now I'm going to clean the plug with this contact cleaner. This is for like electrical devices and whatnot, so it's safe. Hang on, I'm going to let that dry for a second.
What's up? I almost dropped on your face.
Okay.
Man, I wish you had a GoPro on back in the day where we were lifting I had the engine connected to the key and we were lifting it out and your face is just down there.
You mean the EVO?
On the EVO, but it was connected to the key.
I can't believe we pulled the engine with the key.
And I'm like freaking out. You're like, just do it!
I don't want to touch that part, okay. Alex, I need that damn flashlight back.
It's down there.
I tipped it over. Can you grab it? And shine it up toward the sensor. It's not going in. I can't fucking thread it. Up so I can see the threads. Oh, fuck me then.
But I'm not able to see. Good?
I mean, I guess.
Remember what I said, Aaron. Didn't have a dad to yell at me while holding the light working on a vehicle before.
Don't even give a fuck. Now I'm pissed off. Literally asked you to bring it so I could use it. Borrow it.
No, you asked me to bring it so you could use it.
Went from a nice Wix oil filter to this.
STP.
Back it up so it's not on my pants. I can't find any. Oh, there we go. This is good enough, my guy. Did I put the drain plug? Yeah, I think.
We'll do that.
Well, the drain plug's kind of important.
Alright, so I'll get sand here. Alright, so we're filling her up with oil right now. And then we're gonna see if we can get her started. GoPro's about to die, so I'll probably just record with this. We'll set the camera up over here and show it over here while we're trying to get her started. Alright, Aaron, it's time to say a prayer to the car gods. Let's get this thing going. You want to roll it over?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me. Alright, go.
What in the world?
Damn. I don't think our prayers were as strong enough.
Did it seem like it wanted to start?
It seems like the battery's getting a little bit low.
You could hook some jumper cables up to her and see.
I don't want to hook it to my car though.
Oh, the Jeep. We can hook it to the Jeep. The Jeep's right there. Okay, so we're gonna give up on the Evo. Still not starting.
We've checked everything. It's got fuel, spark, all fuses, relays are good. What else we try?
We blocked off the exhaust to see if it was.
Build some back pressure. Well, it's his buddy's car. We were just trying to get it to run so we can get out of here, but looks like everything getting is $200 back from the parts.
Yeah, I'll get it.
So we're probably done with the Evo for now. I'll probably go home, get on the Evo forums, not Facebook, but the actual forums, and post everything that we have and everything we've done, everything we know. So see if we get any answers. We're still thinking that's the ECU, but I have no idea how to test the ECU, and we don't have anyone. Well, we do have somebody that has an EVO X, but he probably ain't gonna want to risk his ECU getting fried by letting us test it. So, and I'm not paying for a new ECU to test it. He's gonna have to do that, and he don't want to put money into this. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you next time.
Peace.
Like, comment, and subscribe.